How to add payment methods on Google Wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Now, here on the right bottom, you can find this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. So basically, this is the section where you can add different wallets. Now, in order to add all your payment details, it's up to you and the way you want to customize. So simply tap on the one that you want to add into. So here I'm tapping on one. So after you do this, you can either use camera to directly scan it or enter all your details manually. So here enter all the details and at last simply tap on save and continue. Now later you can easily verify it and use it from Google Wallet. So it's quite easy adapting Google Wallet for all your payments. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.